Imagine a life where you can have time freedom and financial freedom. Hey everyone, my name is Scarlett. I'm a mother of two and we live on a farm and we do cattle and sheep and but the most the biggest thing is we do KFC chicken. We farm for Rainbow. So I started this journey with a goal to get my family where they need to be in life and to be able to afford the things that we love and have more quality time with them. And you guys, I found this amazing thing online. It's called digital marketing. Now, you can start this today, you guys. Today, you purchase one of these four programs and you get access to the training immediately and access to our community, you guys. And you can start your successful story, you guys, because it's a learn and earn. So while you learn, you can implement the stuff you're learning on social media and you can choose whichever social media you want. And the best thing about this, it is just a 2-hour workday where they give you training on how to post free ads. They give you over 200 websites where you can post your free ads promoted all over the world, you guys, which is absolutely amazing, especially if you're a parent, because you can do it around your kids while you're earning and spending more quality time with them. So we want you to get to financial freedom and time freedom. That's the most important thing to me. Is to have that. My goal is so that you can have time freedom and financial freedom. So yes, this is what I wanted to talk to you guys about. That it is possible to start an online business today, you guys. Without any effort, you can build a successful online business, and it's absolutely amazing because inside of our community as well, we teach you to launch to profit in 7 days, and that is absolutely amazing, you guys, because you earn in dollars first of all, and you make 100% profit from each product that you sell, program that you sell, because you have master resale rights on them, whichever program you decide to purchase. There's four. Now, inside of these programs, you get your set of trainings. You just follow the trainings. It's step-by-step trainings on to show you how exactly you can get to daily pay, passive income, by following a 2-hour workday and be with your families and doing the stuff that you love and also be able to afford that. So that is what is so absolutely amazing. So if you want to know more and start your successful online business, I'm going to put my link, scarlettdailypay.com, inside my description. Please go check it out and just follow the steps and you will see exactly what it is I'm talking about and how you can start this successful online business. I really hope to see you guys part of our community. This is absolutely amazing and so life-changing, and I want this for you. That's why my goal is to help as many families as I possibly can. So go check out my website, scarlettdailypay.com, and see for yourself, you guys. You're going to read a little bit about it, and you're going to get an email from me, and I hope to see you guys there.